these would come out. This would go up just, the seat could go just a little bit. And then I'm gonna put my mattress and stuff in here because we're probably gonna have an overnight. If I could get it up over on that, that would be cool. But do I want to go to all that effort? I have a board that's long enough. I just need to figure out how to support it. Lila, look! You want to come on to bed? Here, Lila. Here, Kiki. Here, Lulu's. Lila, you come on to bed? You know the bed. You know the bed. Come here. Yeah. Come on, it's okay. Come on, sweet girl. Look, it's so spacious. It's like a mansion. Even though it is spacious, the mattress, the bedding situation already takes up a lot of room, and I really would like a wider bed than 24, 25 inches, especially traveling with kitty cat here. Are you checking it out? Isn't it so amazing, Lila? It's so cool. Okay, to save on time and footage and memory space, I will come back once I have everything loaded, figured out, and go from there. Hi, come here. Come on. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Do you want to come? Do you want to come? She's like, this is huge. So cool. Okay, let me show you what we are working with. I went to my storage and got the board, and I'm using my larger size rigid boxes under it. It's going to be good enough for now. So I have 2 of those. The other one is in the front. And then I have my little Ice Kogo 12 fridge that I'm going to plug into a little battery just for drinks, really. We'll take a look at the front. Okay, I also brought my tools. Emergency gear. I actually had to use this morning on my Mazda. This is the battery. This is the battery I'll be using for the fridge. This is a towel to protect the seat because it is right up against the seat and I don't want to rip the seat. But we just have it like this. Set this down. So there's the other rigid box. There's the bottom of the second row seat. We have some space underneath here. And that is going to be pretty much it. We are going to be on our way. We're going to a route that I was going to go on yesterday, but obviously couldn't because plans change. I'm not taking Lila on this because it's just an overnight. I'll be back tomorrow. So let's get... Oh, I actually did put some GoPro mounts up on the dashboard. I'll just take them off when I return the car. It'll take me a while because they are supersonic mounts. But anyway, okay, we're gonna go. Change of plans. I am exhausted. And I've had way more energy drinks than I would like to say. So what I will be doing is, instead of driving the route and then camping, I'm going to camp and then drive the route. So I've driven to the end of it. You can go either way. And then I'll head back north. So I'm on the southernmost end and there's this campground. I found a restroom. We have about 10 minutes left to go until I reach my camping destination. It's just dispersed camping. And then we'll get up and head on our journey. I have just been like running around and so busy. I didn't want this to fall in the toilet. And so I'm exhausted. So exhausted. So yeah, we will continue on now and get to camp. I am glad I found this pit stop. I would say that I have officially driven, well, I did yesterday some, but I have definitely driven in an area where my car would not be. So this is very nicely surrounded by trees, kind of down low, but I just pulled in where I saw some other cars had pulled in. So we're gonna call this camp for tonight. It's 7 o'clock. It'll be an early night for me, but just need to do a little bit of setup in my car, pump up the mattress. It is gonna be tight up against the ceiling, just like in my Mazda, but that's how high I needed to be to get over the wheel well and this seat situation back here. So I also brought an item to review, so I can do that. And I feel like I don't know, I feel like I want to go to bed. There is some firewood though. There is some firewood. Maybe I will burn it. I could do that. Okay. All right, let's get camp officially set up. This is called the schnozzle, I believe. And it's a faster way to pump up the mattress. The heck? This is far up as the seat doesn't lean any more than that forward. That's weird. That seems kind of dumb that the seat doesn't go way forward. Why? That's probably good. Ugh, whatever. Yep, it decided it's good. Okay. I probably should use a ratchet strap or a cam buckle, whatever strap to keep this pulled over, but I don't feel like it. I'm ready for bed right now. Yeah, this is an incline for sure. Probably really don't need a pillow. I hate that because I do slide. I'll probably turn this around. Yeah, I don't think there's anything I can put under that other end. I hear something walking over there. dear. Well, that helps me feel okay because I would think that means that there's no bear or mountain lion nearby, unless a mountain lion is stalking the deer. But it saw me, and only until I said, "Hello, deer," did it go away. It wasn't terrified, though. I am in a national forest. Is hunting allowed in a national forest? Because it's bow season right now. At least it was a week ago. So I'll put that away. I mean, you know, bear spray knife. I did not bring my gun. I did not. And I don't know why, but yeah. So I was just setting up the shot to move the car, back the car up. And that is when I heard movement in the bushes. So let me continue on with moving the car so I'm not at a slant. Sounds like there's a lot more over here too. That is as good as I am going to get. And it's better because it blocks off the road. Not that anybody would hopefully come down here. And just privacy, and I can look out onto the deer. One thing, I have moved the seat forward, the front seat back forward as much as I possibly can. And I don't have a whole lot of room. I don't know why the seat won't move forward again or more. But that is right up against the back. But either way, you know, I think renting something like this that you're considering buying, not that I was considering buying this, but just to see if you might like it is such a good idea. Because initially when I put the mattress in here this morning, I was like, oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that's cool, that fits. But then once I pumped it up, because it's always, I deflate it to get it in and out of the car because it's easier. So once it was all pumped up, it was definitely not so easy. Or it took up more space, so it pushed it back more. But yeah, so we're still kind of at a slant, but I don't really have to sleep with my pillow if I don't want to. And it's just one night for now. I'm glad I at least decided to go out one night. I mean, honestly, that's like really all the setup that I need to do. I've fixed my fridge cord a while ago to just the straight DC 5.1 whatever plug it is. And so while I was driving, I forgot about these crappy fridge cords and it vibrated its way out. Luckily I have a sandwich in there, a couple of drinks, so nothing important, but I'm just using this 400 little watt thing. I realized that the whole drive I should have used the car plug because it doesn't turn on with the car off. I even tried pushing that button, the 400 watt button, and it didn't come on when the car was off. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get set up to finish out my review for today of the vehicle because I realized some things I didn't before. And then I'm gonna get on to my product review of this item. So let me get those done and we'll come back and maybe start our fire. Here's what we are working with, the end of day 2. I did refuel, and that's after refuel, it says I mean, it resets the miles per gallon. So at one point I was getting 21 after a lot of highway driving, but I put quite a bit of miles on it again. And I must say that I am still impressed with the miles per gallon that I am getting versus what I thought I would be getting. So, I mean, yeah, that is the end of day 2 driving. That fridge is really running. Really, really running. Oh, there's a moth. Yeah, this didn't work out quite as well as I had hoped with the length. But what can you do? Tall people problems. Alright. This is a little difficult because I don't have a footwell. But let me, oh jeez. Okay, let's not brace myself on my laptop. See that? All right. Okay. Okay. We will not be needing that. Yeah, that's a little, I just have to stay right in the middle. But I won't need a pillow. I will not need to use my pillow. So that's what's happening. I need to save all my battery for the fridge, and this vehicle, from what I have found, does not have any plugs that work with the car off. So I am going to call it a night, and first time sleeping in the 4Runner. I think I will sleep well. I am exhausted, and we'll see you in the morning.